Maybe sometime in my life, if I thought, hey, I wonder if there's any dogs meat out there, any animals or such. Well, if not, you should now. Many animals each year are abused, and I hope they're lucky enough to be found, or even find food at all. Here's some stuff you should think about. Think about, hey, how would you like it if you were born and then bought and then you were just killed to death, or even like beat up? Have anyone ever seen any pictures of it? If no, then you should look them up. If yes, then I know how they look really bad. I doubt that anyone even stop and save me if they found me walking around. But I hope some of you would. Why would you dare kill me? Why? What did I do? Don't you dare kill me, mister. Aren't we to choose to be killed? I mean, yeah, so what? We don't need dumb, or you can't abuse us. It's not like we are like champion fighter dogs. Unlike a Great Dane. Yeah. I am a pet, not some kind of a ragdoll or voodoo doll you can mess with. Animals aren't voodoo dolls, are they? Of course not. Unless you decide it should be. Don't even think about killing any animals at all. It's just bad and mean and stuff. Has anyone heard about Casey or Kaylee Anthony that was killed? I don't know which one's which. I'm not sure about the mom. His name is what? I think it's Kaylee or Kaylee. But anyway, it's just like she killed her own daughter. That's what some abused animal. They would lie about it the whole time, and then they would be proven non-guilty, and they'll just get away by murder. So please stop animal abuse and killing and stuff. And don't even think about abandoning anymore. Yeah, some bad people do it, but you don't do it at all. This is so nice. You don't even try to split it. You try to stop it. Stop anyone who even think about it or don't remind them to never kill the animal. We're adorable. We're full of smart things, and I wish some people would choose to know what we can do. Animals are like a little pet shop. They're like, you don't know what they can do, like when you ever started making little pet shop videos with Smart. It's like, oh, you don't just like kill off the little pet shop and stop playing with them and beating them and everything. Sorry, emotional. And everything. You don't just decide, oh, I'll just put them off and like just get rid of them. And that because they're not worth anything. What can they do? Well, have you seen what we've done? Think about our feelings for one. What did we do to deserve bad treatment? I mean, yeah, we're not acting like we pampered and spoiled. We're just asking for a good home and not be like abused and like dog fighting, like horses. Like, don't think I'm like real horse just because it lost a race or anything. You were like a dump in the head if you try to do that. And if you think about puppy mills, don't even get started on the puppy mills. They keep making. Okay, I'm start. They keep making the mothers have a ton of babies until they're like all gone, all the stuff that they need to keep, like organs and stuff they need to keep, and they don't even bother thinking about us. Well, we're gonna like kill off, and then you're not gonna have those perfect puppies anymore. Then the puppy's gonna die. Like if you puppy replacement is like bam, dead. Puppy mills is the same thing as animal abuse, like killing animals slowly in puppy mills. So don't dare think about it. Oh yeah, so just because I am like a wiener dog doesn't mean like, oh, I'm worthless. Oh no, I can do more. I'm like a little pet shop. And look, And when you think about animals, what do you think about them? You think that, oh, there's some stupid thing that I can mess with, and if they lose, I gotta kill them like a horse, a dog, in a dog fight, a puppy mill. Oh, yeah, I can just steal someone else's, and then make them have a ton of babies! Oh, you okay? Yeah.
I don't quite know how to say
Can you
how
stop
I feel.
animal abuse now? Oh,
Those
yes.
3 words
You
are
so
said to my
we're not from kind of dog. Please stop animal abuse now, and please make a
If
video of the house. Because I think it was
if I just
that's why
let
it
you, would you lie
please
with
stop
me?
now.
Just forget the world. Forget what we're told before we get too old. Show me a garden that's bursting into life. Let's waste time chasing